Citation first. Bilbao Ibican National High School, Damutan, Barangay Damutan, Inuban, Negros Occidental. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Mr. James Earl Manos in recognition to his invaluable contribution as a member of the jury in Vinicius Damutan Modeling 2025, held April 7, 2025 at Barangay Damutan Covered Court, Damutan, Inuban, Negros Occidental. Given this 7th day of April 2025 at Barangay Damutan Covered Court, Damutan, Inuban, Negros Occidental. Signed, Sharon Katakata Higalana, teacher leader, and yours truly, event organizer. May I request Honorable Barangay Captain Rolando Bihongo to give the certificate. Thank you so much. James, i-check lang iyang page which is James Lakawan, no? Same siya po sa pag-interview lang stigan. Okay, same certificate is given to Mr. Zar Matthew Lacson Gonzalez. Kapitan, player ba sa ka? Is given to Mr. Jean-Marc Lapunco. For your unwavering support pag-join sa naman yung Modeling 2025.